Welcome to Device Lab. Today, we'll be examining the best 3D printers for beginners. The Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo is an upgraded version of the popular Ender 3 series. One of its main features is the inclusion of an all-metal Photon extruder, which improves durability and extrusion precision. The printer also comes with a Cura Touch auto bed leveling system, ensuring better print quality by compensating for bed irregularities. Additionally, the printer offers a flexible steel magnetic bed for easier print removal and a 4.3-inch color LCD display for user-friendly operation. However, this device is not without its drawbacks. The lack of a touchscreen interface is a noticeable omission, especially considering many competitors at this price point offer this feature. The PC-coated build surface can also be too adhesive, making part removal difficult, though this can be mitigated by swapping to a PEI-coated bed. In conclusion, this model brings several significant improvements over its predecessors, like auto bed leveling and an all-metal extruder, making it a solid choice for both beginners and experienced users. Despite some minor inconveniences, its combination of advanced features and affordability makes it a compelling option. For more details and a purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below the video. The Anycubic Cobra 2 offers high-speed printing with a maximum speed of 300mm per second, making it significantly faster than many of its competitors. It features a direct drive extruder, which enhances printing precision and supports a wider range of filaments. The Levy Q 2.0 auto bed leveling system ensures consistent first layers, improving overall print quality. Additionally, the 4.3-inch touchscreen simplifies navigation and setup. However, the high-speed printing can sometimes lead to reduced print quality at the upper limits. The direct drive extruder, while precise, requires more maintenance compared to Photon extruders. Additionally, the printer's bed adhesion can be overly strong, making part removal challenging. Overall, this model offers impressive speed and print quality at an affordable price, making it a solid choice for beginners looking to get into 3D printing. Its user-friendly features and robust performance outweigh the minor inconveniences. For more details and a purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below the video. The Anycubic Photon Mono 2 is a high-resolution resin 3D printer designed for beginners and hobbyists. It features a 6.6-inch monochrome 4K Plus LCD screen, which delivers detailed prints with an XY resolution of 34 microns. This is significantly higher than many entry-level printers, allowing for crisp and precise details in smaller prints. The build volume is 165 by 143 by 89mm, providing ample space for most small to medium-sized projects. The printer's interface is straightforward, with a 2.8-inch color touchscreen that is easy to navigate, making it user-friendly even for those new to 3D printing. However, this device does have some limitations. It lacks auto bed leveling and Wi-Fi connectivity, which are features found in some higher-end models. The construction uses a significant amount of plastic, which might not be as durable as more expensive printers with metal frames. Additionally, while the build space is adequate for many uses, it is smaller compared to other models in the same price range. Overall, this model offers excellent print quality and ease of use at an affordable price, making it a solid choice for beginners looking to dive into resin 3D printing. For more details and a purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below the video. The Creality Ender 3 S1 is a significant upgrade from its predecessors in the Ender 3 series, featuring numerous enhancements that make it a strong contender in the budget 3D printer market. Key improvements include the Sprite Direct Dual Gear Extruder, which offers better filament control and compatibility with a wide range of materials, including PLA, TPU, PETG, and ABS. This extruder is also easier to maintain and swap out for upgrades or different nozzles. The printer comes equipped with a Cura Touch auto bed leveling system, which simplifies the initial setup and ensures consistent print quality across the entire build surface. One of the notable drawbacks is the lack of a touchscreen interface, as it still uses a knob selector, which some users might find outdated compared to more modern interfaces. Additionally, while the PC coated build plate provides excellent adhesion, it can be overly sticky, potentially damaging delicate prints if not handled carefully. Overall, this model offers a great balance of advanced features, print quality, and user-friendly operation at a competitive price point. It's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced hobbyists looking for a reliable and versatile 3D printer. For more details and a purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below the video. The AnkerMake M5C is a compact and high-speed 3D printer designed with both beginners and experienced users in mind. Its standout feature is the impressive print speed of up to 500mm per second, facilitated by advanced algorithms like pressure advance and input shaping, which ensure consistent filament flow and high-quality prints even at higher speeds. This model forgoes a traditional screen interface, instead relying on a mobile app and computer for operation. This app-based control system enhances user experience by allowing remote monitoring and adjustments, making it convenient to manage prints from anywhere. However, this device does have some drawbacks. The lack of a built-in camera for remote monitoring and the absence of an enclosure, which can impact the performance of certain filaments like ABS, are notable limitations. Additionally, the spool holder's design could be sturdier. Overall, this model stands out for its speed, ease of use, and robust build quality, making it a strong contender in its price range. It's particularly well suited for users who need fast and reliable prints without the complexity of more advanced 3D printers. For more details and a purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below the video. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is a high-speed 3D printer designed for users looking for efficiency and quality in their prints. It features a build volume of 220 by 220 by 220mm, making it versatile for various projects. One of its standout features is the impressive maximum print speed of 600mm per second, which significantly reduces printing times compared to standard 3D printers. The printer supports a wide range of filament types, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, and more specialized materials like carbon fiber reinforced filaments. User experience is enhanced by a 4.3-inch color touchscreen, providing an intuitive interface for managing prints. Additionally, this model includes automated bed leveling and a quick change nozzle system, simplifying maintenance and filament changes. However, there are some drawbacks. The printer's spool holder is positioned at the back, which can be inconvenient for filament changes if the printer is placed against a wall. There have also been reports of firmware bugs, although these are being addressed through regular updates. In conclusion, this model combines high-speed printing, excellent build quality, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and advanced users. For more details and to purchase, check the Amazon link in the description below the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with future content. And feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring!